In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app and click on it. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you wish to, like format. When you finished, go back and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it on the right one. Then click on this right button now with three lines to access list of all your recordings. To play one of them, click on it. If you wish to rename it, you can always hold it. Select rename at the bottom in the middle and type in wherever you wish to. To save its new name, hit OK. Lastly, to delete it, hold it as well, but this time click on Delete at the bottom on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then click on Allow in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!